Everyone says Lombok is the next Bali. The government call it a super priority destination. Trillion of PR pour into asphalt, it requires resort, the hardware is world class. But let's talk about the software. Data shows Indonesia is ranked 80th in English proficiency. We are in low proficiency band. We are building a Ferrari engine but putting a bicycle driver behind the wheel. I know this pen personally. Years ago, I applied for LPDP and Australia Award and I failed both of them. It hurts more when you realize that MTB is actually an activity target group for fine. The door was wide open. Lower GPA requirement, special quotas, but I couldn't walk through it. Look at the data. Our neighbor, NTT, secured over 2,300 awardees, NTB barely 1,100. That gap represents thousands of missed opportunity. Why is this happening? Because assessing the test is a nightmare. We have a monopoly. For an entire island of millions, there is only one official IELTS test center in NTB. Imagine fighting for a seat just to take a test. So we pack our bag and fly to Java just to prepare. This is the capital flight. We are exporting money instead of investing it here. So instead of complaining, I built the bridge. Welcome to Sandika English Center. We don't just guess, we follow a product radar. Most people fail because they jump straight to the deep end. We got you step by step. Many of you are self-learner from YouTube, but do you know your real score? Our mock test is a reality check. Same audio, same difficulty, same pressure, and we stop a curriculum chaos. In most schools, a hotel chef sits next to a university lecturer. One needs to write a polite letter, the other needs to analyze the bar chart. Why teach them the same thing? It's not efficient. We use diagnostic funnel. Applying for LPP, go left. Moving forward, go right. Precision is the key. Now, let's talk about the business. To build this ecosystem, I need an initial injection of 314 million rupiah. Why 340 million? Is it for fancy decor? No, look at the brick. 175 million goes to securing prime location, and this is crucial. You cannot run a listening exam if you can hear a motorcycle bike outside. Then 90 million goes to the tech lab. We need dedicated server, industrial UPS backup, and specific monitor to meet IDP strict requirement. If the power goes out during the test, we lose our license. So this isn't spending, this is buying reliability. Now the burn rate, it's 41 million per month. Where does it go? Mostly to people. 26 million is for specialist tutor and staff. I don't hire a random backpacker, I hire specialists. In a program with 1,000 applicants, capturing 1.5% of the market is a calculated risk. The 340 million investment by us phase 2. In 2 years, we aim to become Lombok's second official test center. We are building to IDP standard from day one. 1.25 spacing, dedicated LAN, biometric security. We are ready plug and play. Imagine Lombok 5 years from now, Mandalika will be a global hub. The question is, who will sit in the general manager chairs? Who will be the project director? If we don't prepare our language skill now, our youth will only be spectators. They will be stuck in support role while the strategic positions are filled by the outsider. Ultimately, this is about social mobility. If we build the bridge, they will cross it. I'm Ranji, and this is my proposal. Whew, and that's a wrap. Okay, by the time I record this, I'm about to submit it to YouTube. I realized that this is a late submission, and I'm so sorry, I apologize. Okay, let me drop my business persona for a second. Before the screen goes black, I want to speak as the Ranji myself, not as a presenter. To my fighters, my friend in MPBING 2024, this is it. this is officially our last class in this semester, and also maybe in this magister era, I guess. We have survived this semester, and now we face the final boss, the thesis. As your class captain, which is I was your class captain, I want to take this moment to apologize. I know I can be annoying sometimes, or maybe infrequent time maybe. I'm sorry for the endless notification, the constant tagging in the WhatsApp group, or maybe the pressure during the coordination. It wasn't always perfect, but it was my privilege to serve you all, and specifically to the architect of this course, of course, Ibu Yuni Budi Lestari PhD, and also Bapak Dr. Baharudin. Thank you for this challenge. And this ELT-based entrepreneurship course forced us out of our academic comfort zone. And you taught us that being an educator isn't just about teaching inside the classroom. It's about creating value and building ecosystem. And this is business proposal is the result of that lesson. And let's finish this strong. Let's graduate together. I'm Ranji, your class captain, and I'm signing off from the coursework era. See you at the graduation. Bye.